Hello and welcome back. Let's see how we can set up Oculus Quest. Here we have Oculus Quest. I got this in 128 GB storage. Here we have headset and two controllers. To set up the Oculus Quest for the first time, we need a phone. Actually, we need an Oculus app. For this, we can use Android or iPhone. In my case, I'm using an iPhone and installing an Oculus app from the App Store. After signing into the app, select Oculus Quest to start the process. And make sure your headset is fully charged before starting the process. Now to start the process, select Start and plug in the Type-C power cable that comes with the headset. On opposite side, we can see the power indicator. We got 3 different colors to indicate the power levels. Hit continue and press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to boot up the headset. Make sure your Bluetooth is on your device. Our headset is paired successfully. Now just follow the simple steps shown on the screen.
Welcome to Oculus. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore. It's time to learn about your Oculus Touch controllers. Now, try pressing all of the glowing buttons with your thumbs. Try moving the thumbsticks around. The thumbsticks can also be pressed like buttons. Press them in until you feel them click. Next, use your index fingers to squeeze the triggers on your controllers. Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers. Now let's see what your virtual hands can do. To make a fist, squeeze the grip with your middle finger and hold it down. To point, keep squeezing the grip at the button in front of you. To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Try reaching out and grabbing one of these blocks. Release the grip button to drop it. Your virtual hands can do just about anything. Go ahead, play with some of these items. When you're ready to explore some new VR worlds, insert a cartridge into the console. When you're ready to leave this tutorial, insert the exit cartridge. You've got the basics down. Time to explore all that VR has to offer. Have fun!